everyone, I'm Chris O'Neill from Sew the Distance. I'm so glad you're here for day 21 of Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. I cannot wait to see what this is. I'm so excited. All right, here it is. There's a Chuck the Duck, the QR code already in the count. Okay, this is what I'm seeing. Looks like there's rope. All right. Oh, some hardware, it looks like, and a strap. Some interfacing. Oh my goodness. A simple quilty shoulder bag. From the project pattern for a panel, if I can say it. That's cute. Look at that. Oh, I was right. We do have something to go with this. Oh, and you can put the embroidery on it. Oh, how cute. How cute. All right. Oh, this is really cute. I'm not sure if I'll get it made today for tomorrow. As you know, on the weekends, I record on Friday ahead a little bit, so I'm not crazy working all the time. So it might not get done for the next video, but hopefully it'll get done at some point, maybe. Let's see how much work it is and how much time I have, but I will definitely look through this, read through it, and see what I see, at the very least. Oh, I love it. Oh, that's a great item. I can't wait. All the hardware, everything's here. Awesome, awesome item. All right. Yay! Okay, so let's move on to yesterday's item, which was the fabric panel, and I do have the measurements of all the chunks up on the blog. And speaking of the blog, I was doing it a couple days delayed, but as we're getting closer to the holidays, I'm just going to put up the item that day and take out that task of me trying to remember which days I need to do. My mind is fried. It is crunch time here at the O'Neills. All right, so the fabric panel I'm putting at a price of $13.90, which I know seems like a weird number, but that's the full price number of panels on Missouri Star Quilt Company's website that are this size. Okay, so there's other panels, different sizes. This is my best guess estimate. So that brings our running total to $349.40 with an overage or to the good of $149.45. We're doing great. Even if I've made mistakes, even if you haven't agreed, I still think that we're to the good, at least $100, I would say. Now, is it stuff that I would have bought or you would have bought normally? I don't know. You have to decide that. For me, the element of surprise is so much fun. Okay, Chuck the Duck. Now, just in full transparency, I forgot to put this segment in, so I am splicing this into this video. Afterward, when I was editing, I realized it. All right, so we do have a new Chuck. He is on this, the interfacing right here. There he is. So we can add another Chuck to our Chuck count. Here it is. I am excited that we have at least another Chuck the Duck. Yay, it's a good day. All right, let's move on to guessing the next item, which this is going to be spliced in probably not seamlessly, so I might repeat myself. That's the way it goes. All right, we're going to guess for day 22. I have it here. I'm going to lift it up. Warning, warning, warning. Here we go. Here it is. All right. So I'm pretty sure, I could be wrong, that this is a book written by Jenny's daughter. We've gotten books in the past written by her. It feels like a novel type book. It's a little bendy. And I know we've gotten them in the past, so that might be what it is. We will see tomorrow when we open up day 22's item, which I'll be recording the video probably this afternoon. I'll get the surprise first. I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you take some time to sew, and I will see you real soon. Bye.